How to set up and use Discord on Xbox Series X. Integrating Discord with your Xbox Series X allows you to join Discord voice chats directly from your console, letting you communicate with friends across platforms while you game. Turn on your Xbox Series X. From the Xbox dashboard, navigate to Settings. In the Settings menu, select Account, then choose Linked Social Accounts. Find the Discord option in the list and select Link. Your Xbox will display a unique QR code and a short URL. This is the bridge between your Xbox and Discord. Using your phone, open your Discord mobile app, go to your settings, tap your profile icon in the bottom right, then the gear icon. Navigate to Connections, find the Add button, usually a plus icon, or directly look for an option to scan QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on your Xbox screen with your phone's camera through Discord. Follow the prompts on your Discord app to authorize the linking of your accounts. Once authorized, your Xbox and Discord accounts are now linked. After linking, you can join Discord voice channels directly from your Xbox dashboard.